Imagine month and closing. Your spreadsheets to repair. No copy and no pasting. Just data in the air. Imagine all the ledgers balancing themselves. Imagine all approvals sign off without delay. Invoices matched by scripts. Romeo's gone astray. Imagine all accountants free to think and play. You may say that I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you will join us, and your finest will run Python. Imagine real-time insights, forecast that make sense. Robots doing entries, sinking every cent. Imagine all controllers sleeping more content. You may say that I'm a dreamer, but it already began. We built it all with Abstra. Now automation is fun.